So the Canon 7D finally arrived. This is everything that I already bought for it. So now we're gonna see what's in the box. So far I got the invoice slip that says good condition, Canon 7D, in a lot of paper. But if we pull up the paper, it is actually in a box, probably a repackaged box because it is an older camera. So let's pull that out and see what we got. Alright, so it is one of MPB's boxes because it of course is second hand, but we open it and it's used is better than new. I wonder if it says on here the shutter count. It's supposed to have a very low shutter count, and I will check that. I believe it was like 36,000, but inside the box. Hard to believe there's going to be a charger under there, but I certainly hope so. Well, if not, I did buy a second-hand one over there. But this is the original Canon battery. No idea how much life is really left in that, but we'll find out. I'm gonna look underneath the body first and see if there is a charger in here. I do not see it. Maybe it's wrapped inside the camera. Well, hold on. Let's take. So there indeed was not a charger in the box, and I think there was supposed to be one. I mean, it's okay because I did order the charging kit with 2 spare batteries here, but interesting. But all in all, the camera does look in good condition. There's like very little wear on it at all. It's a very heavy camera. So here are the two together. My main body, the Nikon D780 of course, which is much newer and full frame. But my backup and to use for YouTube comparison videos is the Canon 7D. And it's a crop sensor.